Maintenance day. It's been a long time coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to another video. Told you guys, we're gonna be consistent. Acabo de borrar mi video happy mamada. Relax the video.
Big shout out,
Videos.
Motul.
Yes.
Motul, the only oil that's ever been in this car.
Also shout out Motul Grease.
Motul Grease, that's exactly who we're shouting out right now. They are actually officially helping and sponsoring us too. Yeah. So big shout out to Motul Grease.
Yeah, the GTR needs some love. It's been sitting for a long time.
It's been sitting for a while, like a while.
Very dirty.
We're gonna do some maintenance stuff. I mean, look, there's even like, everything is like just dirty. Horrible and dirty. I need to clean it up. It's just been sitting in the garage for 7 months. Anything else you want to add for right now? No? Where?
Yeah, we spoke about it yesterday, so no, let's get to it.
Yeah, we'll get to it. We're gonna do a quick little service, doing oil, checking diff fluid. We're flushing all the water out. It's just been a long time ever since the car was in the container and even got to grease. Nothing has been done other than just sit around. So
Half-ass washed and then drove
yeah,
it for a whole weekend and then it sat again.
So
and you maybe started it.
Yeah. So all right. Well, again, let's get to it.
Tomei. Shout out to Super Performance Fab for all the fancy, dandy weld work. Let's get under here and check this baby out. It's been a while. That nice gold Motul oil looking good. Gonna rewire the fans now so they're controlled by switch or temperature. I'm not sure yet which we're gonna do. And then next we're gonna do a coolant flush. Go outside. It's been a while since I've seen this thing on a lift. Forgot how angry she looks. I don't know what he's doing under there. What are you doing? Look at that face. The face of focus. Say hi to the vlog, Marina. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, look at my wife and my daughter. Let me show them your Audi real quick. So this is Caitlin's car. We brought it up. Audi A4, B5 Quattro, 1.8 turbo all-wheel drive, baby. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it a good car? Oh, you look really good on camera. Okay, back to GTR stuff. Now we're draining the water. This is actually good. We were really worried that it was gonna be dirty from the water wetter shit, but it's very clean. So gonna let that drain and we're gonna lower her. All right, so oil is in, well, going in. I'm gonna finish rewiring the fans. Again, shout out Motul. Then we're gonna put some fresh coolant in this baby, let her run, get the temp, bleed her out. I really wanna wash this thing. It's not that bad on the outside. Well, let me rephrase that. Red just looks so good because it's always, even if it's dirty, like look, you look at this car from here, you're like, oh, it doesn't look bad, but then you go up close, which the roads were wet in fairness, like it's really dirty, but from a distance you're like, no shit, or crap, sorry. But yeah, I love this thing. It's so bright. It's so fiery red. Let's go see my Civic. Oh yeah, hello. Yep, I like this thing too. K-swap, B-series, what do you guys think?
All right, so we just completed, what did we do? Oil, water flush.
Yeah, every wire.
Try to check all the couplers, make sure they're all set.
Rewired the fans.
Part of the maintenance that we do on this car every 6 months is we always go over everything. We always make sure that everything is tight. We make sure that the clamps are all good, make sure that everything is sealed. You know, just, we have to, you know what I mean? There's just so much heat and so much trembling and all that stuff going on with the car that, you know, we want to make sure that we go through all that. So every 6 months I usually do diff fluid. Every year I do trans fluid.
Yeah, we don't need to do that yet.
And then we just, like I said, we go over everything just to make sure that all the clamps are, you know, nice and tight. And yeah, that's about it, right? Anything else you want to add here, Sturge?
We did the fans, cleaned up the relay wiring. Yeah.
All right.
And then hopefully get the pool.
Is there a doctor in the house? All right, so we got done with all the service stuff here. Pretty easy job. Obviously, we just wanted to share with you guys so you can watch the video, see what we do, and basically tell you how we go about the maintenance of the cars. Another day's come and gone, obviously, so we're really keeping ourselves busy, trying to do whatever we can. We got to bring in Spiro's car again. So big shout out to Costas JDM. Costa JDM, we're shouting you out. You were the one who guessed the engine. Of all the people who answered, Costa knew right away what engine we had in this car, so it was pretty cool to see that he guessed it right away. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, so yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support. We will be doing as many videos as we can, just so that we can keep this thing going and meeting new people, having new friends, and so on and so forth. You guys know. But all right, well, over and out for now. We'll talk to you guys soon. What the hell's he up to again?
Καλημέρα, γεια σας, τι κάνετε?
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, good
Banging
morning.
away up. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Βάλαμε μεγαλύτερα μπουζόνια
Oh my god, are we going all Greek?
στο Honda Civic, στο hub. I'm gonna do broken today. Ελληνοαγγλικά θα κάνουμε today. Extended μπουζόνια σήμερα, as you can see.
So for all our English friends, these are called Buzonia,
Μπουζόνια.
and the lug nuts are called Bologna.
Bologna. But then the funny thing is, in Italian, they're called Bologna.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
Bologna. Wait, let me see.
Yanni.
He's changing out some bolognas.
Yeah, some bologna. Shout out to Yanni for the extended studs next day, front and back, for probably the cheapest I've ever bought 20 extended wheel studs before. Less than 60 bucks.
Yeah.
10 extended wheel studs.
Yanni
is crazy.
Pagliatti, if you're
Thank you,
watching.
Yanni. So yes, so we did extended wheel studs in the back because I wanted to poke out the rear a little bit until we do all the body work.
Hold on, I want everybody to meet Aleko. Guys, this is Aleko. No, I'm just kidding. That's not Aleko. We're just giving him a new name. All right, that's Mario. Mario's our man. Mario's our man. Mario's our boy. Yeah, boy. Mario, you go, baby.
But yeah, so we're doing that. Just yeah, I was happy to see the car has new bushings, all the control arms, upper, lower control arms, all adjustable. And then yeah.
All right, cool.
And we might. Oh no, we're done with that. I did the
No,
same
we're all
thing.
done
Yeah,
with
we're
that
gonna bring
now,
the
yeah.
Hako now.
Hako's
That'll probably be
next.
another video. The Hako's gonna get a maintenance day and a check over.
The Hako needs a major maintenance day. Trans fluids, diff fluids,
Might have
every
some new
fluid.
axles in the back, so we're gonna be driving them more now. So we just wanted to end the video. Actually, no, we're not gonna end the video yet. We're gonna end it after we button this up, so you guys can see how it looks all buttoned up with the spacers on, and then all the
Yeah.
painted rotors and stuff. But
wanted to continue on so we can, you know, introduce you guys to everything more.
So we had a GTR and a Honda day today, GTR and Civic day.
Que me estás que tem na Europa, pensa que na Subaru, vou sacar uma que é turbo.
All right, cool.
Let's go see how the Civic looks. Look at these two. Just sitting there enjoying the rain. It's gloomy out. All right, Civic's all done. Height is done. Spacers came out really good. Happy with the way it sits. Wanted to show you guys before we end the video. See the new black rotors, how they look, even though it's kind of crappy out. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you can't tell. Sorry, guys. It's pouring, as you can see. But yeah, the way it sits is exactly how I wanted it to. Got to get the spring to adjust. And then next is the front. So yeah, we're going to close the video out here. And then we will see you guys in the next video, which will be doing the Hako. Oh, Greek Tora, Greek. All right, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Σας ευχαριστούμε.